how to download Printify application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily download and install the Printify app on your smartphone so that you can create and sell products without managing inventory or shipping. First of all, launch open your App Store or your Google Play Store from your smartphone, and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search bar at the bottom and type in Printify. Once you do that, from the search results, look for the Printify application, this one over here, and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. Now, wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once you are done installing the app, click on the Open button. Accept to the terms and conditions on the next page and you'll see this home screen. From your home screen, click on the Sign In button and then go ahead and enter your credentials and sign into your existing account. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can create one. That is how you can easily download and install the Printify application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.